Hello everyone, and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to view activity history on your Windows 11 computer. And now, let's get started. There are a few ways to check your computer's activity history. The first method involves using the Event Viewer. To access it, search for Event Viewer in your Windows search bar and open it. Once Event Viewer is open, navigate to Windows Logs. Here you will find various logs categorized by Application, Security, Setup, System, and other events. While you might not see extensive activity if you do not perform many tasks, all relevant information will be recorded in these sections. The second method utilizes the command prompt. Search for command prompt and open it. You do not need to open an elevated command prompt for this. A normal instance will suffice. Once the command prompt is open, type System Info and press Enter. This command will load a significant amount of information about your system. Unlike the Event Viewer, System Info provides details such as the number of times your system has booted, how it booted, and whether each session was successful. Finally, to view recently accessed files, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. In the Run dialog box, type Recent and press Enter. This will display a list of all the files you have recently opened. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.